These used to be tiny jam jars, and since I love reusing things, I decided to make salt and pepper set. First, let's add some freshly ground pepper. And then pink salt. For salt lid, I'm using white Lego round 4x4 plate with a hole. And black lid for pepper. The lids are so secure, even I can't get them off. Let's see if they actually work. Oh yes, they do. The only way to get the lids off is with this little piece. Very easy. I will keep this piece in my kitchen drawer. I have also built a little tray for my salt and pepper shakers. Ta-da! If you are interested in building little tray, tutorials coming up next. And here it is, all done. I hope you found this useful. I will be back soon with something new.